Hi everyone, Petal is Les here. I'm coming on today to share with you my fall home tour and also my DIY decor tour. Yeah, it's both. Alright, we're gonna start here in my entryway. Okay, this painting I did this is my DIY painting. Abstract art, I think it was, yeah. And this is just a view from the entrance. And this is another DIY that I did. It's right beside my door. And here again is the mirror art that I did and have it above my console table. And this is my fall display on my console table, you guys. All DIYs except my blinged out gold pumpkin that I bought from Home Sense. So I did the candle lights, the candle holders, the basket of flowers, the blinged out box and the pumpkins, and the little riser. I made those all myself. And I got my console table from IKEA. And down here I have some decorative storage boxes that I purchased from a local store in my area. I keep my DIY supplies in that. And over here I have this basket that it was brown and I spray painted it white. You know, just lift it up, give it a fresh look. And on this wall here by the kitchen, I have these sunburst mirrors that I had gotten from Dollarama. I had two at first, and then when I did the haul, I got another two. So I just placed them in this little design right here. And on the other wall by my kitchen, I have these two signs that I got from Walmart. Alright everyone, I'm just going to give you an overall view of my living and my dining area, and then we'll get into what everything is about. And all the DIYs I'll be mentioning today, I'll have the links in my description box so you guys can go over and have a look and probably make some for yourself to add to your home decor. Okay, we're gonna start with my sectional that I have here. On my sectional, I have these four large pillows, and they are from IKEA. I love these large pillows. They're so nice and comfortable. I have them in my bedroom also. And I like that the coverings have texture to them, which is very nice. And these three pillows in the center I got from Walmart. And up here, this painting on the wall I got from IKEA. I love flowers. I love white flowers, you guys, most of all. And in the corner here, I have my DIY sconce that I did, wall sconce. And in this corner here, I have two more decor boxes that I placed one on top of the other using it as an end table. And I also store my DIY supplies in them. It's very handy. It comes in very handy. Arrangement of flowers on top. That's another DIY that I did. And over here, I have another DIY. A blinged out mirror that I did with mirrors from the Dollar Tree. And I put two of the foam boards together and made this one long mirror, you guys. Alright, and here is my coffee table, you guys. All with my DIYs that I did. This white tray here is to hold drinks or coffee, tea, whatever you have. You place them in that as a coaster. And here are my blinged out boxes that I did. Yeah. And over here, I have another end table. This one I got from Walmart. The lamps I also got from Walmart. And this flower arrangement I made. And look what I have here, you guys. OMG. I have one of the blinged out pumpkins from, where do you guys get it? Home Goods, I think it is, in America. Anyways, this pumpkin was gifted to me by the glamorous Penny Pincher. Yeah, and I love it. OMG. I am so happy because we can't get them over here in Canada. All right, and over here now, I got this unit from IKEA. And these two storage bins down here, I also use for my DIY projects. I store my stuff in there. And this is a view of all the things that I've done. The pumpkins, the candle holders. Oh, my glamorous pineapple. And this flower arrangement here. And over here by the TV, I have my blinged out mosaic wall art that I did. Another one. These two here. And these flower arrangements on top by my TV, I did those also. And these two blinged out vases that I did. All DIYs, you guys. All on a budget. You know I'm a diva on a budget. I do what I can. And over here is where I put my home sign. Home, live, and laugh. With my decorative pumpkins. And some more DIYs on this stand. And pumpkins in the jar. I have them as fillers, jar fillers. Yeah. And here is my dining area, you guys. The DIY flowers that I did on the table. The wall sconce above there that I just did. And the drapery that's in my living room and my dining room are both from Walmart. This table in my dining area is not the original table that goes with my set. The table that comes with it's really huge and it couldn't fit in the dining space. So I have it in the garage until I'm ready to use it again. And here's a mosaic vase that I did. This is a DIY that I did. And I'm so happy with it because they're like $300 in the store and I wasn't going to pay that. I made two of them for about $50. And here are my sunburst mirrors that I made. I made two. There's one on each side. And in my cabinet here, this DIY is one of my favorites. It's my all-time favorite. This is one piece of it, and I'll show you the other piece on the other side. And these are the two candle holders that go with it. They're my absolute favorite, and I have them in the cabinet. And here's my other sunburst mirror. And my other mosaic vase. I made two sunburst mirrors, two mosaic vase, one on each side of my cabinet. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my DIY home tour that I have to show you guys. Remember, diva on a budget, you can have your home look lovely with things that you can purchase at the dollar store and just spruce them up, make them look nice, and there you go, you guys. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my home tour for today. And remember, as always, you guys, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye, everyone. Wavy. Ooh, you know.